In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on TradingView, a powerful and versatile platform for analyzing financial markets. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, understanding how to navigate TradingView's drawing tools can greatly enhance your chart analysis. So, let's dive in and explore how to get started with these essential tools. First things first, let's talk about how to access the drawing toolbar. If you're using TradingView on a web or desktop platform, you'll find all the drawing tools located conveniently on the left side of the chart. However, if you're on a mobile device, it'll be slightly different. Simply tap the pencil icon positioned at the bottom of your screen to open the drawing tools menu. This setup ensures that no matter which device you're using, you can easily get to the tools you need without any hassle. Once you've opened the drawing toolbar, it's time to select the tool that fits your needs. TradingView thoughtfully organizes these tools into various categories to make your selection process a breeze. For instance, within the cursors category, you'll find the default option, a dot, an eraser, and even a demonstration tool for highlighting areas on your chart. If you're looking to analyze trends, you can explore the trendline tools, which include lines, rays, and channels, among others. For those interested in Fibonacci and Gann analysis, this section offers retracements, extensions, fans, and arcs. Pattern enthusiasts will appreciate tools for Elliott waves, head and shoulders, and various geometric shapes. You can also use forecast and measuring tools like measurement indicators, projections, and volume tools. And if you desire to add some annotations, there are text labels and price notes available. Don't forget about icons, where you can incorporate emojis, flags, and even custom markers. Now, the fun part, drawing on your chart. Let's say you want to create lines, shapes, or apply a Fibonacci analysis. To do this, click once to set your starting point, move to your desired endpoint, and click again to finish. If the path tool is what you're using, it works a bit differently. Click to add each point of your path, and then double-click when you're ready to complete it. For those who prefer a more hand-drawn approach, the free draw brush is perfect. Click and drag your mouse to draw freely across the chart. Lastly, I want to touch on the demonstration cursor feature. This tool allows you to mark areas temporarily, which is particularly useful during presentations. If you're on Windows, hold the Alt key, or if you're on a Mac, hold the Option key. Click and drag to create marks that will fade over time, keeping your chart clean and clear once you're done demonstrating. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your chart analysis with TradingView's drawing tools. Practice using these features to get more comfortable, and soon you'll be navigating your charts with ease. Happy charting, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.